Got another project on the go here. I've been salvaging some 18650 cells out of laptop battery cases, and I bought a couple chargers to charge them up and do some testing. First one I bought was a Xan flare. I like this charger here. It shows all 4 cells. Just put this on, and then you can kind of pick each cell and go through the settings. You'll see it shows you the resistance, how much time it's been testing for, milliamp hours that you're testing it at, voltage the cell is currently at, and once it gets to a certain point in the test, it'll show you how many milliamp hours the battery has in it. Like this one here showing it's up to 2345 milliamp hour. Internal resistance. I like having all the cells showing. So this is the first charger that I purchased, charger tester, because it does the NOR test as well. This is the second one I picked up because I have somewhere around 80 cells that I have to go through. So 4 at a time was just not cutting it. So this is the next one I just picked up. Again, it does 4 cells. It does not show all the cells on the screen, but it still gives you all the same information. This one also allows you to do the testing and the charging up to 500 milliamps. It'll go 750 milliamps, and it'll go right up to an amp. But anyway, I'll bounce through to show the different cells. This one here I stuck on charge instead of just the testing. I wanted to try something with that cell. So you can control them all independently. That one's still going through a test. That one's been running for an hour, 19 minutes. So I'm going to be able to do 8 cells at a time with these two. Here's a stack of cells that I've gone through, and as I'm going through, you'll see that I'm writing the milliamp hours on each so I can go through and group them together. So after charging, I'll let these set for a couple weeks, go back and test the voltage on them. Anything that is too low, it'll just be recycled. I'll keep all the ones that are still sitting around 4.1 volts and higher. Here's some more cells that I have ready to go through testing. And I'm going to be getting some more. This is the first part of a project. I'm building a battery pack. If I get enough cells, I'll build a couple battery packs. But this one here is going to be the first one. I'm going to build a 36 volt, so it's going to be a 10S, and I'm still debating on a 10S 5P or 6P, which is 5 or 6 cells in parallel, packs in parallel, and then you put 10 of those packs in series to give you a 10S 5P battery. So I'll let you know how this turns out. I'm going to get all these cells together, get them all charged. It's going to take me a week or so to get everything done. But I'll check in again once I get a little further.